Normalize columns of a data frame. I have a data frame in pandas where each column has different value range. For example, df. Any idea how I can normalize the columns of this data frame where each value is between 0 and 1? My desired output is
You can use the package sklearn and its associated pre-processing utilities to normalize the data. For more information, look at the scikit-learn documentation on pre-processing data, scaling features to a range.
One easy way by using pandas. Here I want to use mean normalization. To use min-max normalization, edit. To address some concerns, need to say that pandas automatically applies comb-wise function in the code above.
Detailed example of normalization methods. Pandas normalization, unbiased. Sklearn normalization, biased. Does biased versus unbiased affect machine learning? Mix-max scaling. References, Wikipedia, unbiased estimation of standard deviation. Example data. Normalization using pandas gives unbiased estimates. When normalizing, we simply subtract the mean and divide by standard deviation. Normalization using sklearn gives biased estimates, different from pandas. If you do the same thing with sklearn, you will get different output. Does biased estimates of sklearn makes machine learning less powerful? No. The official documentation of sklearn.preprocessing.scale states that using biased estimator is unlikely to affect the performance of machine learning algorithms, and we can safely use them. From official documentation. We use a biased estimator for the standard deviation, equivalent to numpy.stdx, dof equals 0. Note that the choice of dof is unlikely to affect model performance. What about min-max scaling? There is no standard deviation calculation in min-max scaling, so the result is same in both pandas and scikit-learn.
Based on this post, this URL, you can do the following. You don't need to stay worrying about whether your values are negative or positive, and the values should be nicely spread out between 0 and 1.
If you want this more, please consider subscribing.